Hello everyone, and welcome back to our Secure Workload YouTube channel. My name is Jorge Quintero, and I am a technical marketing engineer for Secure Workload and Secure Firewall. In this session, we will look at the new features and enhancements we have introduced in Secure Workload 3.7 for the Secure Workload and Secure Firewall integration. This is our agenda for today. We'll talk about the new features added to the existing integration, and we will showcase them in a demo. Features overview. If you're interested to see how the integration works, please check the Secure Workload and Secure Firewall integration series demos by clicking in the following links. Now, the two main use cases are visibility and enforcement with the current feature set. Native integration starting 3.5, which allows Secure Workload to orchestrate policies in FMC for enforcement. Nestled records ingestion for automatic policy discovery for visibility, introduced in 3.5. Access control policy leveraging dynamic objects, introduced in 3.6. These objects are updated in near real time and do not require policy deployment in FMC. FMC domain awareness, introduced in 3.6 patch 3 to specify the firewall or set of firewalls to use for the integration. And for version 3.7, we introduce meaningful dynamic objects. This naming convention, right, it takes from Secure Workload constructs such as inventory filters, scopes, or cluster. And now it's possible to choose where to push Secure Workload rules into the FMC policy with rules ordering. Now you can push workload policies either on top or the bottom of existing rules. Now let's jump into our demo. So here we are in Secure Workload UI, and we navigate to manage external orchestrators, and we click in our existing FMC orchestrator. We can see all the current configuration of our FMC orchestrator, and I want to highlight one of the new enhancements. So now you can select to either use Secure Workload default rule, which is referred to as catch-all rules, or use the existing default action in FMC. Remember, merge option will honor existing rules in FMC, while override will replace all existing rules and only allow Secure Workload ones. One of the new features we introduced is the possibility to push absolute policies, right? These policy mandates from Secure Workload either on top or bottom of existing rules in FMC in the mandatory category, as well as the default policies pushed either on top or bottom of existing rules in the default category on FMC. Now we navigate to FMC and select the domain that we integrated with Secure Workload, in this case, the East-West domain. And navigating to policies, access control policies, we can see how the absolute policies were pushed below an existing rule. Right, in this case is below the block log4j. We can see how these absolute policies are just below this one. Remember, absolute policies are referred to policy mandates or compliance policies. Also, we can see the human-readable dynamic objects as they are defined in Secure Workload, right? So you can read them as you created them or as they are coming from Secure Workload. And finally, in the default category section, the application policies from Secure Workload that are pushed on top of an existing manual rule in FMC, as well as the Secure Workload catch-all policy. Now, I want to thank you for watching this video. And remember, if you want more information about Secure Workload or Secure Firewall, please click on the links shown right now.